Good day, everyone. Jest here from Juxtello Tech. Today, we're delving into an urgent issue that has surfaced concerning the employment prospects of trained teachers in Ghana. The Coalition of Unemployed Trained Teachers, CUTT, has addressed an open letter to the Director-General of GES, Dr. Nkansh, and the Honourable Minister of Education, Dr. Yaw Osei Adutwum, expressing deep concerns about the ongoing unemployment crisis in the education sector. According to the letter, CUTT is dismayed by the apparent neglect and mismanagement of teacher recruitment and welfare issues by the leadership of GES and the Ministry of Education. They highlight the alarming plan by GES to recruit over 10,000 unqualified and untrained teachers through the YEA, while trained and qualified teachers remain unemployed. The letter condemns the delay and deception surrounding the recruitment process, accusing Dr. Nkansh of misleading promises and Dr. Yaw Osei Adutwum of prioritizing short-term political gains over addressing critical education sector challenges. CUTT warns that neglecting the employment concerns of trained teachers will not be without consequences. They vow to mobilize their significant numbers and influence to hold the government accountable if their demands are not met promptly. As the debate over teacher recruitment continues, it's clear that urgent action is needed to address the plight of trained teachers in Ghana. Stay tuned for further updates on this developing story. Thank you for watching.